Hey, whoa, Charlie, thank you. Ikiri chebe no kete gase keju onu chukwu ese. What am I not doing right? Ebe mu wa buru nya kekpe. You want attention man na kiri giki is as well. You want affection man not to give if a poison on eke. Fuck all the IG likes and not the testy traps. Deep down, if it's all about the Wesley Snipes. Up from the blade on your wrist or apple, very deep stripes. And before you try it again, they make you first think twice. Onyere pogeke poleze makego kinefe. You love to ride and post the best. You love to come to his defense, ready for the scene. I said you should come to the fence. Can one weekend for your face, damn. Otile gifetinka tele pan. Bonne tigo si game making the sound. Bonne tigo feel it one up man. But the pussy nigga is a pussy nigga. Ikiri chebe no kete gase keju onu chukwu ese. What am I not doing right? Ebe mu wa buru nya kekpe. You want attention man na kiri giki is as well. You want affection man not to keep if a poison on naked.
So maybe it's the pills, maybe it's the drugs, maybe it's for love. But what I'm searching for, it's not worth dying for. Yeah. So desperate people crying, broken people hurting. I'm desperate and I'm fighting, but you can't fight when you're drowning. It's just in a FEMA for change the channel. When you got put the light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah. So maybe it's the pills, maybe it's the drugs. Or what you dollar.
I'm a middle chuku mama kanike na there already maninyo like na 4 times and not before the wedding. See nigga we say why we march after the wedding. Gave take it's just a fortnight. You're back to your vomit, you go back to your hobby. He's touching your body, he's fucking annoying. He's reaching for oil, it's cherry out, but you're not gonna stop him. He's just gonna rush it. 2 seconds he gon' bust it and he get inside the bathroom just to wash off the rubbish. One crest, one mirror to make sure you stop it. And one get the ugly or bro your portion. The option, the yeah the portion, so he could die. Now you take all his portion, man. Take a precaution, please. Ikiri chebe no kete gase keju onu chukwu ese. What am I not doing right? Ebe mu wa buru nya kekpe. You want attention, man, and kiri giki is as well. You want affection, man, no picky guess.
And someone please call 911. Yeah. About your dollar, losing my mind. About your dollar, I've got to rewind. Yeah. Onyega bara makebe, onyega bara makebe, onyega bara makebe, onyega bara makebe, onyega bara makebe. Yeah. Someone please call 911. About your dollar, losing my mind. About your dollar, got to rewind. Yeah. Onyega bara makebe, onyega bara makebe, onyega bara makebe. Yeah. Onyega bara makebe, Onyega bara makebe, na.